Hello guys, welcome to a new video. So in today's video I just wanted to discuss on my PayPal positions and how that position is doing. If you have seen my previous video, I made a earnings call on the PayPal and that position really went against me and I was in a loss. So I just wanted to give a quick update on how that position is doing now and what I did to kind of recover that money from that. So if you have not watched that, you can definitely watch that. There are some lessons that I had learned from that play, so you can definitely watch that after watching this. Okay, so this is my current PayPal position, right? And if you can see the average cost, right, is around 68, and I think when I made that earnings call, I believe I got a cash secured puts for $70, so that was my average. However, after the earnings, PayPal really dropped and I had to take that position of 100 shares, right? So from that point onwards, I have been kind of selling most of the in the money covered call, which is basically selling a covered call below your cost basis and below the current most of the time below the current market price of the PayPal, right? So that's what I have been doing for about 2 or 3 months, and I was tracking all those positions here, right? So if you see, I have been tracking all the positions here, and if you see, right, I made almost $500 out of the premium by selling multiple in the money covered calls, right? So the in the money covered call is a good strategy if you are kind of in a loss and you want to recover that money and the stock market is not really doing well. In those kind of scenarios, the in the money covered call works out best to slowly reduce your average cost in that particular stock, right? So that's exactly I was doing. So if you can see, right, my original cost basis based on my PayPal position and some of the other I think couple of things that I bought after it went down. So as you can see, right, I bought like 5 stocks here and there and 2 here, right? So that kind of brought down the original cost basis. However, if you see here, right, this is the adjusted cost basis. So this is what I am talking about. So based on my selling of the covered call, right, I collected a net premium of around $500. So that helped me reduce my adjusted cost basis, right? So if you see here, this is the original cost basis, but in reality my adjusted cost basis is right now running for 64, right? So and PayPal has kind of recovered based on yesterday whatever they announced, right, on the interest rate cuts that have been reduced or increased rather to 3 this year on 2024. So that was a big catalyst for the stock market, and most of the tech stocks and the sector overall is going up. And PayPal, I'm hoping that it would recover soon and then I would be able to kind of close out this position if I want to. So yeah guys, that was kind of a quick update that I wanted to give. If you guys are on a similar kind of situation, then you can definitely use this strategy. I have some videos around the covered call strategy itself that you can watch if you're not familiar with that. And if you are in a similar situation where your cost basis is kind of below the current stock price, then you can definitely use this strategy of selling slowly selling the in the money covered call to reduce your adjusted cost basis. That is gonna really help you recover your money, and in the process you're gonna make some money. So overall, when you close the position, you would be on a winning side, right? So that's the goal of this strategy. So I hope I'm gonna make another video once either I decide to close or maybe do start selling the covered call which is above my cost basis. So I'm gonna maybe in another month I'm gonna post another video. So for now, that was the update that I wanted to give guys. I hope you guys are doing well, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Till then, take care, happy investing, bye bye.